Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm currently in Udaipur right now, and that was the perfect time where I showed you what's in my makeup bag. It is huge, I know, but I cannot compromise on my makeup. That's why I was like, you know what, let's just film a video on what's in my makeup bag, show you around what I carry for my makeup and also for my skincare. Don't worry, this bag is not really packed that much. Let me just reduce the brightness so you can see. Yeah, it is not packed to the brim, not like completely packed, because I also store my skincare in this, but just for the context of this video I have only makeup in here. If you want to see what I've carried as a skincare, then watch the next video. I will link it down below. But this is my bag. It has a lot of stuff in it, so yeah, let's go. So talking about primer and sunscreen, I have these two, which is the Belief UV Protection Multi Sunscreen, which is SPF of 50. This is what I'm carrying right now. And for my primer, I have the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Dewy Primer. This is how it looks. Really like this, and this is like a dewy finish one, which is great. For my foundation, I ran out of my Fit Me, so I have my trusty LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation. If you can see over here, yeah, that one, and I'm in the shade medium beige. So that's the foundation. For my concealer, where is it? I have the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Define. This is a great concealer, but unfortunately I received a wrong shade. So when I was buying this, I had a few coupons, and then the lady just gave me like a completely different shade. I was so mad when I came home. I was like, why is she doing this to me? And this is in the shade Warm Sand. Oops. This is the shade Warm Sand. This is a bit orangish in tone. It looks a bit orange, so I just applied before my foundation, or like while applying the foundation, and just blend both of them together. And then for my powder, I have the newest invention. I got this just in January and I've been obsessed with it. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 25 Medium Mauve. This is how it is. Love how it sets my foundation. I do not even have to use like a full coverage thing. Like even if I use this and the concealer, I am good to go. So yeah, that's for that. For my eyeshadow palette, trust me, I was going to bring my James Charles palette because I love it to death. The James Charles mini one. I could have created so many looks from the James Charles palette, but then it wasn't fitting in this. It was just a little bit bigger than, you know, the size of this box. I was so gutted, but it's fine. Then I got the PAC Ultimate Shadow Looks Collection eyeshadow palette. I also love this one. I got it last year. Been using it since then forever. These are the colors. You might have seen it all over my Instagram that I use it non-stop. So yeah, I got it. This one you can create like brown shades, pink one. Yesterday I created like a cute pink one. Then you have like mauve tones, orange tones. So I got this one, pretty neutral palette. Then for, oh yeah, I have a beauty blender. I've carried this. Then for highlighter, I wanted like the Maybelline one, but then I was like, okay, what if I run out of ideas for eyeshadows? So I bought this Savannah Colors highlighter brick. This is what I'm wearing as highlighter right now. I really love it. Also, you can use these as an eyeshadow. I used this one as my eyeshadow yesterday with the PAC shadow. I'm not carrying any bronzer because I don't really use it that much. Also, yeah, apart from it being a highlighter, you can just mix it and just use it as a blush, so it gives like a shine to it. Especially if you have like the pinkier version, it like will work great as a highlighter, eyeshadow, and even as a blush. So yeah, that's why I got this one mainly. And for my brushes, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, just no, 6 brushes. Just got some 6 brushes. Any which ways, I'm using the beauty blender to blend my makeup. I have this one for my powder, just setting it right here. And for my eyeshadow, I just got these 3 brushes. These 3. So these 2 are for blending, and this is for packing, like the shimmer ones on my lid. For my highlighter, I had to get this one because I cannot live without my highlighter. Again, I got this one just in case if I want to blend out my concealer, or you can even just apply like eyeshadow, like you can even blend eyeshadow and apply highlighter from this. So I just got this brush. And for my mascara, I have the Maybelline Lash Sensational. Love this. I almost ran out of it. It's nearly the end. That's why you cannot see the drama on my lashes. I definitely need to go ahead and buy other one. But yeah, got this one. Love it. I have nail paints in here. So I got these 2 from K Beauty, which is in the shade Dreambound and La Rose. I really love La Rose one, which is what I'm wearing right now on my nails. So yeah, these 2. And for I have a kajal over here. Again, this is the plum one. Love it. Good for smudging above and like as a kajal also. Really great product. Then I have the Wet n Wild matte finish setting spray. I don't know what's wrong with this. Like, it's just not setting. Like, it takes some time to spray it on my face, but yeah, it's fine for now. So when it comes to perfume, I have this really like weird, or not like weird, but like this ritual which I have is basically I carry a new set of perfume or a mist to each and every new city that I go to. So for example, last time when I went to Jaipur, I took this Nykaa perfume with me because I wanted, like, whenever I spray it in Jaipur and I come back to my city, and then when I spray it, it would remind me of the place. I've done this for Jaipur twice with different scents whenever I went in the previous, done that for Malvan and other places as well. For Udaipur, I bought the Nykaa's travel size perfume. I mean, this came in very handy because this is so small and so cute. This is in the shade, not like shade, wow, this is the fragrance Raison d'Autre. I'm sorry, whatever that means. I used to learn French, but I forgot. So I have this Raison d'Autre, I don't know. This is the Moi perfume, and I've finished this much of it already. So I'm carrying this with me for this trip, and it smells really nice. I'm bad at smells, but it's fresh. I'm a really huge sucker for fresh smells. I cannot go with sweet smells at all. So yeah, this is really nice. And for my lipsticks, okay, this is a lot, but again, I can't compromise on my lipsticks. Okay, you know my ultimate favorite, Maybelline Nude Nuance. I am completely gone. Like, this lipstick is gone, like just gone. I use it I've been using this from the past last year, I think. So yeah, completely used it, love it a lot. Next lipsticks are these from Nykaa, the recently so creamy ones. So we have Dressed to Kill over here. If you want to know the swatches, you can just go to my Instagram. I've done a swatch video over there. So this is for the one. I have a Gossip Dose, which is this one. Then we have, this is my like favorite thing ever in this entire range, these 3 lipsticks. This is Your Latte, which is very close to the Maybelline Nude Nuance one, and this one, okay, love it to death. This is called TGIF. Love it. And then we have Let It Snooze. This is how it looks. How cute is this? So yeah, I'm wearing Let It Snooze and Your Latte right now. So that was the combo. Also what I've seen is Let It Snooze and TGIF looks perfect on my lips. So yeah, and then I have my Nivea lip balm, and then that is basically what is in my makeup bag. It's over. So yeah, that was my what's in my makeup bag video while traveling. I know it is a lot, but yeah, that's what I like to carry it with me. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure to follow me and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Till then, bye.